Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Nahil A. Valley, and I am 16 years old living in Faisalabad, Pakistan. I am a student of second batch foundation level at Rehan School Online Academy in evening shift and also a proud member of midday team department at Rehan Foundation. So today I watched a very amazing tech talk. The speaker name was Raymond Tang, and his topic is be humble and other lesson from the philosophy of water. So Raymond Tang is a famous tech talk speaker who loves Chinese philosophy, especially Taoism. In his talk, he shows that old philosophies are not just for history books, but they are still very useful in today's fast and stressful world. He believes that modern life is full of pressure, competition, and hurry, which makes people forget about real happiness and peace. Tang says that beauty of life is not just in success or money, but in simplicity, humility, and peace of mind. His special skill is that explain difficult ideas in a very easy and interesting way. In this speech, he tells us that water, something so people and common, can actually be a great teacher for our lives. If we learn from the quality of water and bring them into our daily behavior, we can become happier, more successful, and more meaningful human beings. So the first lesson, Raymond Tang explains that water always flow downward. No matter if there is a mountain, a hill, or any low place, water will always move down to the lowest level. This shows that water never acts with pride of arrogance. Instead, it's behave with humility. This gives us a big lesson for this give us a big lesson for life. A person who should always remain humble and never be arrogant. People who are humble are respected and loved by others, while proud people are actually disliked. Just like water gives benefit to everyone by flowing down and reaching the lowest places, a humble person also spread comfort, kindness, and happiness to people around him. And humility is not a weakness; it is actually a power uh, that wins hearts. So the second lesson of water is that it is always adapt to any shape. If you put water in a glass, it becomes like the glass. If you pour it into a bottle, it takes the bottle shape. If you pour it into a lake, it spread wide like the lake. This quality teaches about flexibility in life. Many people face problems because they are too stubborn, strict, and unwilling to change. But those who are flexible and can adjust themselves to different situations are more successful. For example, if a student fails an exam, instead of becoming upset, he should adjust his study methods and try again with new energy. If a businessman faces a loss, he should be flexible enough to change his strategy and find new ways. Tang teaches that being flexible like water makes life challenges easier to handle. The third lesson is that water can put out fire, no matter how big a fire is. When water comes, it can slowly or surely control and end it. This tells us that in life we should develop calmness and patience. When we become angry and reply quickly with harsh words, problems grow bigger. But when we stay calm like water, the situation becomes peaceful. Kindness and coolness are always stronger than anger. For example, if someone insults us and we insult them back, the fight becomes worse. But if we stay calm and quiet, the other person may realize their mistake. So Tag reminds us that in difficult moment, controlling anger and acting like water is true strength of a wise person. So the fourth lesson of water is about power and patience. At first look, water seems soft and weak, but actually it is very strong. Over time, it can cut rocks, change the shape of land, even make its way through mountains. This teaches about consistency and hard. Many people give up when things are hard, but success they comes to those who continues like water, slow but steady. For example, a student who studies a little bit every day will one day perform very well in exam. A simple person who works step by step every day can also achieve great goals in the future. Tang says that life reward those who keep working quietly and patiently, just like water creates its path slowly but surely. So the most beautiful lesson is that water is useful for everyone. Whether someone is rich, poor, human, animal, plants, or trees, everyone needs water. And water never refuses anyone. itself all without making any difference. This teaches us that we should also live in a way that we become helpful and beneficial for others. If we help people make their lives easier and spread happiness, this kindness will always return to us in a better way. Tran explained that true success is not living only for yourself but being valuable to others. Just like water gives life to all without asking anything, we should also use our time, knowledge, and skills to bring good to others. So this is the quality that makes a person live forever in hearts of people. The big lesson from this whole video is that we should try to live like water. Water teaches humility so we can stay away from pride and be loved by others. It teaches flexibility so that we can adjust life challenges and find it. Also teaches calmness so that we can control anger and avoidance. It teaches patience and strength that we can keep working and slowly until we reach our goals. And finally, it also teaches to be helpful to others, because real success is when we make other people live better. From this video I learned if we all become like water, the world will become a peaceful, happy, and better place. So everyone, I like my English TEDx review. So until the next review, Allah Hafiz.